Meaning of ground beef.
Ground beef.
Ground beef.
Ground beef.
Ground beef. Ground beef refers to beef that has been finely chopped or minced using a meat grinder. It is typically made from tougher cuts of beef and has a higher fat content than other types of beef. Ground beef is commonly used in dishes such as hamburgers, meatloaf, spaghetti bolognese, and tacos. It can also be used as a base for soups and stews. When cooking ground beef, it is important to ensure that it is fully cooked to prevent the risk of foodborne illness. Overall, ground beef is a versatile ingredient that is widely used in many different cuisines.